Seven men having a trip to a rainforest in Sumatra. Driving away from Minangkabau to Kerinci to climb Mount Seven. Leaving home meant we got to learn how to be a guest. Exploring Mount Seven mean exploring the jungle in ourselves. This trip is obviously the reflection of our friendship, the relationship between seven men with Mount Seven. First of all, we prepare ourselves before the trip to Mount Seven, checking up the tent while Mari and Darom working side by side. Then of course, we buy some logistic right before the trip to fulfill our need for energy.
Turun pakai serowong yang sama.
Nah, terus setelannya itu turun.
Pakai celana bahan, pakai baju kemeja putih.
Aku baju karyawan.
Yo, my name is Watis and we are from Limboroge. We are going to invite you to experience some nature, and right now we are about to go to a caldera lake that's surrounded by 7 mounts, which is in Kerinci. So right now we are at Batu Sangkar. We are preparing, packing everything that we need to climb the mountain. So we are right now, in the situation. The weather is very cold. It's really hard to see around us. The driver must be very careful in driving the car. 3 hours we've been together in this car from Batu Sangkar to Alan Panjang. Very tiring because we don't have our dinner yet. So we plan in Alan Panjang we're gonna have our dinner. Darom,
Yes.
nggak kita sudah kole Darom. Makan balian ada Rom.
Makan,
Jalan panjang.
makan ngobrol, bernyanyi ria.
Yes.
Santai.
Para jam lagi kita tiba di Kerinci Kayuaro.
Insya Allah kalau makan jam 1 kita setengah 2 lah.
Mak cie aja pesan aja mak. Pinggang tolong dijago. Kalau nak turun sebutkan gue lah.
Datang gue sombong, dan tak pernah cilik kamera.
Mak. Sombong lah. Mas Bro.
Halo Bang. Jalanan sedikit melelahkan karena kurangnya inisiatif daripada penitia konsumsi. Seharusnya jam segini kita udah dinner,
Makan enak.
dan makan daging asap segar. Sekian dan terima kasih.
Dawas. So right now we are already arrived at Mitra Rest Area, and probably gonna have some dinner, eat something like this, and the weather is very cold in here. Take a look to everybody. So we finally arrived at Kerinci. Right now it's 3 a.m. in the morning. So we've been driving for 10 hours from Batu Sangkar to Kerinci.
Ajan, aman aja?
Guys, alhamdulillah kita sudah sampai di kediamannya Mak Aris Brother. Dan sekarang kita sedang melakukan perpackingan untuk persiapan mendaki di pagi hari. Setelah packing kita langsung saja melakukan kegiatan rutin seperti yang biasa kita lakukan, yaitu light on, light on, light on.
Light up the fire.
Light up the fire.
Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Finally we are arrived at Ma'aris brother house at Kerinci. We are very grateful and lumayan pone di perjalanan ya kan. Supir banyak supir pak supir.
Jalanan lumayan banyak rintangan.
Kaliaman pak moto sehari tadi.
Alhamdulillah.
Paling kaki yang perlu diubu stage kalau enak.
Kaki Roma. Ini bisa kaki sopir.
Bisa kok yang mau bagian bawah benar.
Ya,
Itu supir aman.
Oke.
Mak, kok tugas mak sudah kau packing lah? Bukan tugas mak sih.
Mak lo. So we still have a lot of things to do. Preparing, packing as effective as possible, and also we only have 2 hours before the sun rising up in the morning, right? Because as we planned before, we're gonna go up climbing at 7 a.m. in the morning, and that's all.
Oke, pakaianlah masuk mak ya. Okay, the sleeping bag and the clothes that we're gonna use in the mountain is already safe inside. We put it at the very bottom of the carrier, right? And we also protect it with the plastic and some mattress to make the packing looks better and good.
So all the gear that related to the digital and video, we put it in a very safe bag in here and also in here. And Aling is the guy who in charge of everything that related to visual and digital, something like camera and all the rest of it, right?
Hey, buddy.
Good morning, brother and sister. We just wake up this morning. Probably after this we're gonna need to do breakfast and a little bit more of preparation and packing. And after that we're gonna go directly to, right? So we are getting ready, we are finishing, checking up before do the climbing. So in the next couple of minutes we're gonna go straight to the mountain.
Thanks to Danopit for allowing us to stay at his house so we can take a rest and do the final preparation. From his house we drive directly to Mount 7 base camp.
Hidupku tanpa dirimu, apakah di sana kau rindukan aku seperti dirimu yang Apakah di sana? Di mana? Suka Pak ya? Yang selalu merindukanmu. Guys, pada lantau mana Raul, pada nangok apa? Mau rau. Emang kita sekarang lagi di mana?
Kita ada lagi di posnya Gunung Tujuh.
Cakep. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin, we finally made it to the information center of Danau Gunung Tujuh. So after this we probably gonna do some registration, and after that we go directly to the Gunung Tujuh. 11 a.m. in the morning, almost 12, so we take a break a little bit, and after that we're gonna go trekking and prepare ourselves to one of the best mountains in West Sumatra. That's all.
Kita mulai perjalanan.
The trek to Pinturimba provide us with farming field. Sometimes we'll meet the farmer crafting their art. It's clear that the weather in Kerinci is very good for farming activity.
Mari! Aman! Sip! Lanjutkan!
Kenan report.
So, what a beautiful day, what a beautiful things to do right now. After registration, and this is about 30 minutes of walking and trekking into the jungle of Danau Tujuh. So after this, we're probably gonna take a break a little bit and have some coffee. And after that, we're gonna go again for trekking. See you there.
Kami berdua dan ada bertiga. Atuh dah waf. Woi. No. Juga tapi dua stick. Boleh.
So one amazing fact about this place is Cassia Feral, all in the world, the main production is in here. Take a look behind me. All over there, and also banana and some other plants, and also one of the most common plants in here is coffee, Arabica coffee.
Di mana penyusian link masih jauh lah. Sama lah tiba di ladang kulit mani banyak suara Pak.
The forest welcome us with a blast from a raindrops fell. Make the mind refresh. Wash away the mess and silence all the noise. Saying hello to the farmer man, then making friend with his doggy dog.
Dah pamit kami dulu nih. Kakak pamit dulu.
Then this doggy dog lead us to the jungle door.
Ada dong?
Pak YouTube film ada nyanyian saat
Pintu rimba ya bang ya. Pintu rimba. Jadi bang. Sorot di belakang. Itu jalur naik gitu. Gitu. Iya. Itu yang belok kanan. Ah belok. Di mana sih bang? Hah? Itu kanan. Kanan. Oke. Itu lele mente. Ah itu pasukan oranye CPST oren-oren. Oren-oren. Pasukan oren. Halo. Dari mana bro? So the weather is really good. What do you think, Ali?
The weather is not really hot, not really cool. I love it.
We love it because the universe support us. Our trip right now to Gunung Tujuh. Right. Let's go. Okay.
Kita kedatangan tamu dari
mana? Dari Pekanbaru bro, Pekanbaru. Gimana jalan Ki? Aduh, luar biasa jalan.
Selamat datang lagi Pagi Waksono.
Mudah-mudahan kita bisa bikin karya visual yang oke ya berkat teman-teman semua ya, maksudnya progres baru gitu loh dari silaturahmi kita. Nah sekarang tuh kita lagi ciptain momen kita lagi naik bareng, terus kita bikin karya bareng deh, karya visual ya, mudah-mudahan ya, amin.